Hi Meghna, how do we test for genetic or hereditary breast cancer and what is the importance of the result?
A person with a BRCA mutation or a breast cancer mutation that has been inherited in the family, they are at an increased risk for developing breast cancer. With constant testing and learning, we have realized that this percentage can be lowered with time by early detection and risk reducing surgeries. In such cases where we have identified a hereditary mutation, the first thing and most important thing that comes to anybody's mind is what are the steps to be taken next. And when you consider yourself at a high risk of developing breast cancer due to any of the reasons that I mentioned in my previous answer, then these are the things that you should consider about where you want to go for consultations and who is it that you should approach for it. Now, if you consider going to a general practitioner or a genetic counselor, the first thing that you need to do is understand who your family members are, and if there are anybody who is been diagnosed with cancer already, please make sure that you do collect all the details of their cancer and additional members who are also at a risk of cancer. Now, when you consult a genetic counselor, they will need to collect as much family history of cancer from you as possible. Not just family history, just general family history as well. There are some of the things that you would be asked for. One is family history from both sides, irrespective of whether they have been diagnosed with cancer or not. All the details of their ages, their children, their parents, their siblings, everything. Along with that, you will also have to give details of your nieces and nephews, great aunts, great uncles, because in case of understanding your risk assessment for breast cancer, it's very important that we get as many family members in the pedigree as possible. This helps us identify the risk for cancer, even if the cancer history has been in a very distant relative. Sometimes this happens where even if your close relatives or your first degree relatives do not have cancer, it's possible that you might have inherited from your great aunt or your great grandfathers. This might have been manifested in you during this generation. Most people who want to get themselves tested for any of the hereditary cancers, and when you visit a genetic counselor, your genetic counselor will help you understand your situation with the help of family history and medical history, and understand your risk assessment for developing a breast cancer, and identify who of your family members along with you are at an increased risk, and suggest whether you should go for genetic testing, what is the best kind of a genetic test that you would require, and based on those results, they will help you understand what further steps can be taken. Now, coming to the genetic results from the testing, there are three main categories in which this can be classified. This could be a positive result, a negative result, or a VOS. Now, talking about the positive results, in case of a positive result, it would mean that we have already identified a genetic mutation that has been inherited in the family. In such cases, there could be two cases. One is when you already have been diagnosed with breast cancer. In such a case, the identified mutation is likely to be the cause of cancer. And then this would help your oncologist in treatment guidance. And including your family members, they can be identified for further genetic testing for the same mutation that has been identified. Now, in case of a positive result where you have not been diagnosed with cancer yet, it would mean that this is a gene for which you are likely at an increased risk for developing breast cancer. In such cases, your oncologist or the healthcare professional would advise you to go for genetic screening, in which you would be required to go for regular mammograms and MRI screening to identify and detect your breast cancer early in time, so it can be avoided or treated much in advance. As for your family members, again, any of the identified family members for a potential risk, they could be asked to go for genetic testing again for the same mutation. In case of a negative result, it would mean that there are no mutations that have been identified through the test. This does not mean that there is no mutation. In case of you who have already been diagnosed with cancer, a negative test would simply mean that in the test that has been performed on your sample, it would mean that the mutation has not been covered, or it may not have been identified in the test that has been performed. But this does not entirely eliminate the fact that there is a genetic mutation that has caused cancer. In such cases, you would be advised to go for further genetic testing, which could be more comprehensive and which could cover more genes as possible. In these cases, again, for your family members at this point, there may not be many options to go ahead for. In case of you who hasn't been identified with a breast cancer, but who has a family history of breast cancer, this would simply mean again that the test does not cover the mutation and further testing may be required. But if you do not have a family history of cancer and the test results are negative, it could mean that there is no inherited mutation. There is no possibility of a family history of cancer and no further testing may be required. Although if the doctor or the oncologist considers you at a risk, they may ask you to continue with screening if necessary. The third would be a VUS result. Now, a VUS result means a variant of unknown significance. This is the most tricky test result because in this it means that we have found a mutation, but we do not know what the significance of this mutation is. We may identify the gene, we may identify the mutation, but we do not know of the role it plays in causing cancer, to what extent it is contributing to causing cancer. In these cases, we may not be entirely able to eliminate the possibility of a cancer, but we may not be sure of how to plan it further. In cases of cancer where you've already been diagnosed with cancer, a VUS result would mean that you will have to continue further testing because this may not be the mutation that is causing cancer. It could be another mutation that may not have been included in the testing. And in such cases, again, the family members would have to continue for genetic testing along with the other genes, not just the identified mutation. In case that you haven't been identified or diagnosed with a breast cancer, a VUS leaves a lot of unanswered questions. So what you can do is again continue further testing if necessity be, and you can continue with the screening processes. Now, in terms of identifying additional family members for genetic testing, in either of these cases, if it's a positive result or a VUS result, along with you going ahead for genetic testing and screening, the most important would be a screening for other potential family members for the risk of breast cancer. The most common screening would be again mammograms, breast MRIs and ultrasound scans to identify the breast cancer early on time. This screening could start as early as at 25 years of age for the younger women in the family. At this point, the males may not be considered for testing if there is no strong family history. Although if an identified mutation is already known, especially in BRCA1 or 2, then the genetic testing can be done for the males because they are at a risk of transmitting this mutation into their progeny or their children. And in such cases, if their daughters are at a younger age, then they can be started off for screening at a young age. This would cover all the results of the genetic testing, and if there's more information that you would require to go ahead for testing, then you can always contact your oncologist or a genetic counselor to understand your risks for genetic testing or your risk for developing cancer, and they can help you with how you can go further with the testing.